I wanted to make a quick video on how I can afford to live and thrive with grocery prices soaring. I have been taking advantage of this volatility in the markets that's happening in the decentralized exchanges. I know it sounds technical, but I'm going to lay it out so anyone can understand it. Go to the GitHub link at the beginning of this video and download the zip file, then unzip it somewhere it's easy for you to find. I unzipped it straight to my desktop. Then open up the file named configure.js to your notepad or any text editor program. Keep in mind, it's crucial to enter your Ethereum public address correctly, enclosed in quotations to avoid any errors. This is the address where you'll receive payments. Next, it's time to input your private key to that address you just entered. If your wallet doesn't easily provide a private key, you can also use your wallet seed, especially with the hardware wallets. Make sure to also specify which network you're using. Default is Ethereum, which is 1, Binance Smart Chain, which is 2, or Polygon, which is 3. Let's talk about the max spend setting. I recommend keeping it at the default of 0.5 Ethereum to prevent any transaction issues. Lowering this setting too much has caused problems for some users, disrupting the bot's operation. So make sure that your funds in the public address and max spend setting amount are correctly aligned. I'm going to pause the video and enter my information in the configure.js file so you can see what it looks like when the program is running. Now let's get the program running. Open the index.html file in a web browser. To do so, right-click on the file and pick Open With. Then pick any web browser. Once it starts, keep an eye on it to make sure everything runs smoothly and no errors or warnings show. The bot will continuously look for profitable arbitrage opportunities and should operate without any errors if set up correctly. It's important to keep the program open in your browser to keep it running properly. I started with just about 0.5 Ethereum, and this is about after 2 months of running this program. The program just found and got an arbitrage. This amount was just added to my wallet. I'm glad I was able to get that on camera to show you guys. Please, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.